We live in a world full of fascinating things, but there are still many unique facts that are not widely known. Some of them are even quite mind-blowing. Here are 10 interesting facts. In California, there is a pine tree named Methuselah. It is over 800 years old, making it one of the oldest living beings in the world. This remarkable tree has witnessed countless changes throughout history, standing resilient through the ages as a silent observer of time. As seasons pass, the Methuselah continues to thrive, embodying the endurance and beauty of nature despite the passage of time. The Methuselah Tree not only holds its own history, but also plays a vital role in the ecosystem, providing shelter and sustenance for various wildlife. Scientists and nature enthusiasts alike come to study this ancient giant, seeking to unlock its secrets and understand its remarkable longevity. Visitors find peace beneath its sprawling branches, connecting with nature and reflecting on the immense passage of time represented by this extraordinary tree. The Methuselah Tree inspires wonder in all who encounter it, serving as a reminder of our connection to the earth and the importance of preserving nature's ancient treasures. Turritopsis dohrnii, a remarkable type of small jellyfish, possesses an extraordinary ability. It can revert its body to the polyp stage after reaching maturity. This unique trait allows it to essentially live forever, although it does not mean it cannot die. Rather, it can continuously repeat its life cycle. In the depths of the ocean, the Turritopsis dohrnii thrives among vibrant marine life, captivating researchers and divers alike. As scientists study these extraordinary creatures, they uncover the mysteries behind their incredible ability to escape the traditional aging process. In a state-of-the-art laboratory, marine biologists meticulously examine Turritopsis dohrnii samples, eager to unlock the secrets of their unique life cycle. Educational materials featuring detailed illustrations help raise awareness about these fascinating jellyfish and their groundbreaking regenerative abilities. In a lively classroom, school children lean forward in awe as they observe Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish gliding through their aquarium home. A passionate researcher engages the young minds with a captivating presentation, highlighting the jellyfish's incredible transformation ability and inspiring future generations of marine biologists. Beneath our feet, deep within the Earth's mantle, there is water, trapped in a mineral called ringwoodite. The volume of this water is estimated to be 3 times greater than all the oceans on the Earth's surface. So technically, there is an ocean beneath us. As researchers study this remarkable mineral, they uncover secrets about our planet's history and the role water plays deep below. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about Earth's water cycle and geological processes. With each drill into the crust, scientists hope to collect samples that could provide further evidence of this vast hidden ocean. They theorize that these processes add a new dimension to our understanding of ecological and geological interactions. The study of ringwoodite reveals its ability to store immense amounts of water, suggesting a dynamic relationship between the surface and the depths below. This interaction hints at uncharted territories in Earth's fluid dynamics. Believe it or not, fingernails, especially on the middle finger, grow faster than toenails. One reason is that fingers are used more frequently, which stimulates faster growth. In a fascinating study, researchers discovered that the primary factor influencing this growth is the regular use of fingers in daily activities. This constant movement stimulates circulation, leading to healthier, faster-growing nails. Every tap of the keyboard and each stroke of the paintbrush sends signals to the body promoting nail growth. In contrast, toenails remain largely inactive and thus grow at a slower pace. Over time, this difference in usage becomes evident, as fingernails tend to require more frequent trimming and grooming. In comparison, toenails often grow unnoticed, leading them to become neglected. As people invest time and resources into manicures, they often overlook pedicures, resulting in visibly faster growth and more attention for fingernails. This disparity highlights societal preferences for hand aesthetics over foot care. If you stand on the surface of Venus, though you can't, because it's extremely hot, you would see the sun rise in the west and set in the east. This is because Venus rotates in the opposite direction to Earth and most other planets. The surface of Venus is a harsh and forbidding place with relentless heat and crushing pressure, yet it offers a unique perspective on planetary motion. Its rotation, unlike that of Earth, reveals an astonishing celestial dance where the sun performs a stunning rise and set in the opposite directions. Scientists have long been fascinated by Venus, conducting numerous studies to understand its extreme conditions and peculiar rotation. The data collected from missions provides invaluable insights into the dynamics of our solar system, illustrating how Venus challenges our understanding of planetary behavior. From space, Venus appears as a glowing orb enveloped in a thick golden haze, a stark reminder of its inhospitable environment. Back on Earth, teams of dedicated scientists work tirelessly to unlock the mysteries of this enigmatic planet, using advanced technology and simulations to replicate its extreme conditions. I would have thought we have a connection with bananas. About 60% of our DNA is similar to that of bananas, showing how all living beings on Earth are interconnected. So maybe next time you can call the banana in your kitchen your distant relative. As you browse through your local farmer's market, you might notice the wide array of fruits, including those humble bananas. This fascinating relationship invites us to ponder the intricate web of life that binds us all, reminding us that even the simplest foods have profound connections. Imagine a child eagerly grasping a banana, unaware of the wondrous connection they share with this fruit. At the family dinner table, laughter resonates as they enjoy a vibrant fruit salad, where bananas play a key role in bringing loved ones together. Picture a cheerful banana lounging on a sunny beach wearing sunglasses and enjoying the warmth of summer. Meanwhile, friends gather for a picnic in the park, sharing laughter and delicious food, where bananas not only nourish, but also create cherished memories together. Olympus Mons on Mars is the largest volcano in the solar system. It reaches a height of 22 kilometers, almost 3 times taller than Mount Everest. If Everest already leaves us in awe, imagine Olympus Mons. This majestic peak towers over the Martian landscape, casting a long shadow as the sun dips below the horizon, creating an ethereal scene. Scientists speculate that this colossal volcano is millions of years old, suggesting a tumultuous history of volcanic activity. As we explore further, we find evidence of ancient lava flows that spread across the landscape, telling the story of a time when this giant was active. Scientists believe that Olympus Mons could offer clues about the past climate of Mars and the potential for life. The caldera, measuring 80 kilometers wide, reveals the power behind these volcanic eruptions, hinting at a time when Mars was much more geologically active. Imagining its eruptions brings forth visions of fiery lava flows that once traversed the Martian surface, reshaping the world we see today. Antarctica may be known for its cold and snowy conditions, but there is an area there called the Dry Valleys that hasn't seen rain or snow for over 2 million years. This place is one of the driest locations on Earth. In these valleys, the harsh environment creates a surreal landscape where ancient glaciers have long since retreated, leaving behind an arid expanse that feels almost otherworldly. Researchers from around the world flock to this remarkable area to study its unique geology and understand how life can adapt to such extreme conditions. Despite its arid nature, the dry valleys are home to extraordinary forms of life, including hardy lichens and microorganisms that have adapted to survive in this barren world. As day turns to night, the dry valleys transform into a tranquil setting where the vastness of space reveals an astonishing display of stars, untouched by artificial light. The extraordinary conditions of the dry valleys have fascinated scientists and adventurers alike, with countless stories of exploration documenting the challenges faced in such an isolated and extreme part of the world. You might have heard that the tongue has specific taste zones, sweet at the front, bitter at the back, and so on. But it turns out all parts of our tongue can detect all types of tastes. The taste map myth has been debunked by science. In a lively classroom, students passionately discuss how taste works, challenging the old beliefs and exploring the science behind flavor. Meanwhile, a skilled chef carefully samples his latest creation, demonstrating the intricate balance of flavors that our tongues can perceive. On a vibrant table, an array of delicious foods shows how varied tastes can be experienced across the entire tongue. In a research laboratory, a scientist passionately explains the findings of their experiments on taste perception, revealing that all parts of the tongue are capable of detecting every flavor. An engaging animation illustrates how each area of the tongue reacts to different flavors, dispelling the myth of strict taste zones. At a bustling food festival, people excitedly sample dishes from various cultures, celebrating the fact that every bite reveals a spectrum of flavors. Is the most remote location on Earth, located in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. It is more than 2,688 kilometers away from the nearest landmass, making it the farthest point from anywhere on Earth. Interestingly, astronauts aboard the International Space Station are sometimes closer to Point Nemo than people on the nearest landmass. Point Nemo, a name that evokes mystery and intrigue, serves as an isolated sanctuary in the endless ocean. Surrounded by more water than any other place on Earth, it is a silent witness to the passage of time, untouched by human activity. Researchers brave the elements to unlock the secrets of Point Nemo, gathering data that reveals the unique characteristics of this isolated marine environment. Their findings contribute to our understanding of the ocean's health and the mysteries it holds. Beneath the tranquil surface of the water lies an abundance of life often overlooked in discussions about remote locations. Point Nemo is a reminder that even the most isolated places on Earth can harbor extraordinary ecosystems waiting to make us realize how amazing this world is. From ancient super trees to hidden oceans beneath our feet, there are so many things that leave us in awe. So out of all these facts, which one blows your mind the most? Or maybe you know another unique fact. Every corner of our planet holds extraordinary surprises. Just think about the towering super trees that have witnessed centuries of history standing tall against the test of time. Then imagine the hidden oceans beneath our feet, teeming with mysterious creatures waiting to be discovered.